that annual breast cancer screening, but haven't been able to work one into your schedule, you do have other options. The St. Tammany Health System's Be Well bus is offering mammograms on the go. Joining us this morning is Community Outreach Coordinator Ann Pablovich with some more information. Hi, Ann. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for joining us. All right, so this sounds like basically a bus that kind of travels around St. Tammany Parish offering mammograms. Is that right?
That's exactly what it is. It's a 40-foot custom-built mobile health unit, and we bring care out into the community to serve our patients where they live, work, and play.
Is it a free service?
It can be. Insurance covers mammograms 100%. So if you have insurance, if you have Medicaid, you are not at risk of not having coverage for that screening. But we do have a program that can provide screenings for those that are uninsured.
Gotcha. So what are some of the reasons that you hear from people of why they don't just go to the regular doctor for a mammogram? Why would they need to utilize the bus?
We hear excuses all day long. Some women just generally aren't comfortable having it done. They've heard that it's a horrible screening, it's uncomfortable and painful. That's just not the case anymore. The technology has really advanced. It's not an uncomfortable procedure or screening. Access is another thing. If you live in a rural part of our parish, we've got a lot of rural communities, and so getting transportation into an area where we have facilities to provide these screenings can be a real challenge for a lot of people. So St. Tammany Health System, we made the decision that we wanted to serve all of our residents and all of our patients, and we invested in this bus so that we could bring that care out to patients where they're living. We go to employee health fairs to provide screenings and services at work for folks. And we also go to community events like farmers markets and different 5K runs and things of that nature, so that we're meeting people where they are.
So can someone just kind of show up to where the bus is, walk on in and get their mammogram and be in and out in about an hour?
The service itself takes about 20 minutes. And if we have availability on the schedule, absolutely. The best thing to do is call our Women's Pavilion at 985-773-1500 and request an appointment on the Be Well bus. We have 3 standing locations where we rotate. That's in Folsom at our Physicians Network Clinic there in Folsom. We go to the Bush Community Center on Highway 41, and we also go to our Madisonville Clinic on Highway 22. So we're in those parts of the parish every month, but then we also augment with other types of community screenings. And so just call, see where we're going to be. You can also check out the schedule on our website. It's bewellbus.health, and it's very easy. It's not a cumbersome process. You don't need a physician's order in the state of Louisiana, so that's one barrier that's been reduced. Mm-hmm. You can just call, schedule that appointment, and you will get top-notch quality care on our bus at a convenient place close to wherever you are, and we'll result those images to you and your doctor, and you're on your way.
And where will the bus be located next? Where's the next upcoming location?
Next week we'll be at the Bush Community Center on Highway 41.
Okay. What day next week?
Wednesday. Sorry.
Okay. Just for anybody listening. No, that's okay. All right. And have you had a lot of success with the bus so far?
It has been so well received. I think transportation issues are a big problem in St. Tammany Parish, and so eliminating that barrier for folks has been a real success story. We've had 5 cancers diagnosed since we launched the program. So, a lot of those screenings are people that just happen to stumble upon it and say, "Oh, I might as well get it done since I'm here." And so it's a real success story in early detection. We know that's the name of the game with cancer these days.
Sure. All right. Wow, that's incredible. 5 cancer screenings already diagnosed. All right, Ann, thank you again for your time. Hopefully a lot of people will utilize the bus.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.